Alright, Montero parodies by Zixel. It has Carl, Wheezer, Kermit, and Dexter. So I'm right to it, let's go.
Call me by your name. Tell me you love me in private. Call me by your name. Oh, Judy.
What?
What I would do to eat your cookies just one last time. So warm.
What? Yeah, that's crazy. Is Billy Cobb really Carl Wheezer? What? He does like Carl Wheezer songs? What?
I want my life into.
This is crazy.
Waiting for you. And I'm fighting all night. When I'm around, slow dancing in the dark. Don't follow me, you'll fall in my arms.
Yeah, this is actually not terrible.
I don't need more shots.
Makes it more funny. Or make it funnier.
Can you? Give me reasons we should be complete. You should be with him, I can't complete. You looked at me like I was someone else. Can't you see?
I don't know, he's hitting this.
Slow dance in the
Yeah. Yeah.
when you gotta run.
That's crazy.
Call me by your name.
You got Kermit too.
Tell me you love me in private. Call me by your name. I do not care if you lie in.
Oh, that's it? Oh, the extra scenes with Carl? Dang, that's crazy.
Call me by your name. Tell me you love me in private. Call me by your name. I do not care if you're lying.
Hi, Dexter. Man, I'm not gonna lie, that Carl Wheezer remix to the Joji song, that's fire. That's fire. That was fire. It was funny and it was fire, which makes it look. That's crazy. That was crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Well, I'm out. Like, subscribe. Have a fantastic day. Subscribe to Zixel and Billy Cobb. You know what I'm saying? Making that fire song. Yeah. But yeah, I'm out. Bye.
Waiting for you. And I'm fighting all night.